As the Associate Vice President of Student Affairs who oversees campus life and community engagement, I think there are three major issues that should be addressed. The first issue is that students are not involved in the community. This is important because if students feel a sense of connection to the university and the community, they will have a desire to stay in the community, potentially staying after graduation. It is also important for the community because they help provide students with hands-on learning outside of the classroom. As the Vice President of Student Affairs, I would start a community cleanup group. This group would meet one day during the week and help out in the community, whether it being picking up trash from the side of the road or passing out meals to the homeless shelter. This would be a great way for students to get involved in the community, and they could also be rewarded with some type of service learning course credit. Students will not only get to meet people in the community, but by helping in the community, they would feel a sense of closeness and strive to do more. In order to implement this, I would reach out to staff members who have an interest in helping within the community, and I would have them begin forming a group of students who are also interested. Because service learning is offered, I believe students would want to help their community, and it also look great on their resume. The second issue that many students are facing is that they're now first-generation students. This is important because they're the first in their family to attend college, so they may not be as prepared as their peers. As the Vice President of Student Affairs, I want these students to attend college and earn an education, but I also want them to feel a connection to the institution and remain a student. Although these students may not be as prepared, we can help them. I would begin implementing a change by adding a box on the admissions application asking if they're a first-generation student. If they check yes, they would be separated from new students whose parents did attend college at the orientation session. In their smaller group, they would be able to meet others who are also first-generation students. These students will also be able to ask questions they may have or may be nervous about to an advisor, and they'll also be able to ask students to an orientation leader who's also a student who was a first-generation student. This will help first-generation students get a better understanding of what it's like to be a college student and have a successful transition into college. While many students are first-generation students, the third issue is that there are also many non-traditional students. These students are typically adult learners who are enrolled in higher education. They are usually older than the typical college-age student and have different needs than that of their peers. Some of these students may have children, or some may be returning from active military service. Non-traditional students are attending college more and more, and as a result, we must find ways to support them. One way to support these students is by creating a working relationship with a nearby daycare center. This could then become a place where students who have children could receive student rates and would also be able to drop their children off earlier in the mornings and pick them up later in the evenings if needed. Students would also be close to the daycare while on campus in case of an emergency. Providing this service would put these students' mind at ease when having to figure out childcare, which would help them be more successful. Also, students with children would be more likely to attend an institution that was open to the idea of providing childcare. These students would also be able to meet other parents who are students and whose child attends the daycare. As the Vice President of Student Affairs, I would reach out to a daycare that is near the school and ask them to work with our students. I would explain the benefits of working with the students to help them achieve their goals and the importance of this service. There are many challenges currently facing higher education, but as the Vice President for Student Affairs, I believe these are some of the most important challenges we're facing.